Here I have LENOVO Tab 4 and let me show you how to set up the pattern protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon. Then from the following list, let's choose settings. So this is the list of available settings. Let's scroll down to a personal tab and choose security. Here let's tap security, choose screen lock, and now you have to decide that you would like to use pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me choose pattern. So you can also require pattern to start the device, or you can choose no thanks. Let me choose no thanks. Let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's do it again just for confirmation. You have to choose your form of notification. You can select show all notifications, you can hide some sensitive content, or you can don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me choose show all, tap done, and that's it. Now you can press your power key, and if you would like to unlock your device, you need to enter your pattern. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.